Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are whipping up this incredibly cute, quick and easy starfish keychain. It's the perfect stash buster project and makes an awesome little gift. All you need is some worsted weight yarn in blue and white colors, a 3mm crochet hook and a keychain ring. Let's dive in. We're starting off with our blue yarn. Go ahead and make a magic ring. Chain 1 to secure it and then work 10 single crochets right into the center of that ring. Once you have your 10 stitches, pull that tail tight to close the center and slip stitch into the very first single crochet to finish round 1. Now for round 2, let's create those starfish arms. Chain 7. We're going to work back down the chain starting from the second chain from your hook, single crochet in the first chain, half double crochet in the next 2, and then double crochet in the remaining 3 chains. Look at that perfect little point. To attach the arm, skip 1 stitch on our main circle and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this whole process 4 more times until you have 5 beautiful arms. Time to give our starfish a crisp border. grab your white yarn and attach it to the last stitch of any of the arms. Chain 1 to get ready. We are going to work around the entire starfish shape. For each arm, you'll do a single crochet decrease right at the inner corner, single crochet 4 up the side, work 2 single crochet increases right at the tip to round it out, and then single crochet 4 back down the other side. Repeat that for all 5 arms. slip stitch to finish and fasten off. We are almost there. Grab your tapestry needle and weave in all those loose ends to keep everything neat and secure. Finally, attach your keychain ring between two arms and you're done. A super fast, super adorable starfish keychain.